Hi there, I'm Artemiy, a Salesforce admin at Envy. In the 5th Q&A episode, I will show you how to use the Salesforce Authenticator app for multi-factor authentication. Ready, steady, go! From February 2022, Multi-Factor Authenticator, or MFA, is mandatory for Salesforce products. To assist customers, Salesforce has enabled MFA for direct logins to existing production orgs. Starting in April this year, MFA is enabled by default for new production orgs. As an additional verification method, Salesforce supports the Authenticator app, one-time passwords, security keys, and other tools. However, Salesforce recommends using the Authenticator app specifically as the fastest and easiest way to log in. Authenticator app is a free Salesforce app that sends a push notification to your mobile device. Now let's set up Salesforce Authenticator as our verification method step by step. First of all, download and install the Salesforce Authenticator app. You'll find links for the iPhones and Android devices in the description. If you are not logged into Salesforce, skip my next step. If you are logged into Salesforce, you can connect the app from Salesforce. From your personal settings, in the quick find box select Advanced User Details. Find App Registration, Salesforce Authenticator, and then click Connect. If prompted, log in again or enter the passcode sent via email or text message. If you are not logged into Salesforce and you are required to choose a verification method, to do so, select Salesforce Authenticator from the list. Now, open the Salesforce Authenticator app on your device. Tap Add an account. The app generates a unique two-word phrase. Now, in Salesforce, enter the phrase in the two-word phrase field and click Connect. In the app, you'll see the details about the account you are connecting. Tap Connect to complete the account connection. That's it. Also, I recommend creating a backup account in case you lose access to your device. Go to Settings, enable Backup Accounts, and enter your email. Then, enter the verification code. Also, set up a passcode to restore connected accounts. Now, let's test the app in practice. Double-check in Settings that push notifications are enabled. So, we return to the login screen on the desktop and enter username and password. Click Login. Now we wait for the notification from the app on our mobile device. Here it is. Let's carefully check all the connection details and click Approve. If your device is not connected to the internet, Salesforce gets you covered. Instead of accepting push notifications, you can enter a one-time password that the app generates for you. And that's a wrap! Don't forget to subscribe for more Q&A episodes. Drop your questions in the comments if you want us to answer them. See you next time! Bye bye!